Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you the Hollywood video coloring tutorial on CapCut. So first import your clips and then go to filter, and under the live category find the amber filter. Okay, this one's right here, and then set it to around 60 like this, and then click on a check icon, then go to adjust and set the brightness into -15 and then contrast into around 19 like this, and then set the saturations into 20. So it depends actually to your video. Actually I'm going to just add 10, and then I'm going to add some lower some exposure into around 25 like this, and then click on HSL. So this HSL is basically up to your video, so I'm going to just play along with it like so. Okay, so you can just use the one that you think fits your video the best. I think that's all. You can also I'm going to just do green color first, and you are done. So here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.